This 2022 Grand Design Transcend Xplor 321BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Ringgold, Georgia, 30736 and is offered for sale by Northgate RV Center. This new Grand Design is 36 feet 11 inches in length and features one slide-out, a GUNSTOCK interior, sleeps 8, oven, skylight, slide-out, LP detector, water heater, TV antenna, spare tire kit, TV, smoke detector, air conditioning, and 62 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bath and a half, bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, 2 bedrooms, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Grand Design Transcend Xplor 321BH is 7,612 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Northgate RV Center, visit RVUSA.com.